In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to HubSpot quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or a newcomer, integrating your email is a crucial step towards seamless communication and effective marketing. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that your setup is both simple and efficient. To start, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is where the magic begins. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you haven't logged in for a while, make sure your password is handy, or if you're like many of us and perhaps slightly forgetful, use the password recovery options provided. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From this central hub, you have access to all the tools and features that HubSpot offers. But for our purposes today, we'll focus on setting up your email. So direct your attention to the top right corner again, but this time we're looking for the settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on settings, which will take you to a page filled with options. Next, locate the email tab on the left hand menu within your settings. This is where you can manage all things related to email within HubSpot. Clicking on it will expand your options, giving you a clear view of everything related to email preferences and connectivity. Now comes the critical step. Connecting your personal email account, click on Connect Personal Email. This is your gateway to integrating your existing email inbox with the powerful tools that HubSpot provides. Here you'll see several options for different email providers. Choose the one that matches your personal or business email. The system will guide you through connecting your email platform securely. After selecting your email provider, you'll see an option that says Connect Your Inbox. Click on it and follow the prompted steps to authenticate HubSpot's access to your email account. It might involve confirming permissions or entering additional information, like a password, depending on your provider's requirements. Don't worry, it's all very straightforward, and HubSpot has an excellent guide to help you if you get stuck. And there you have it, your email inbox is now connected to HubSpot, allowing for streamlined communication and the integration of email interactions directly into your CRM system. This means your emails can be tracked, organized, and utilized to enhance your marketing strategies and customer interactions. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you found it both helpful and easy to follow. Dive into your newly connected HubSpot email functionalities and make the most of the integrated tools to boost your business efficiencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one. See you next time.